All right, here we are at 1007 Crestover Road, and take that in. I mean, if you're looking for a cul-de-sac, this one is impressive. So while I fly up here, you'll see that large fenced-in backyard. So it looks like a deck and a patio. I mean, we'll check some of the other shots, but it is fantastic. So a lot of space there. You know, taking the drone footage as always. The snow really makes it look good, but I did not walk the backyard, so we will verify that for you. But in general, the house itself, there were cleaners there while I was, going through. It is immaculate. So I'm partial to split levels. I definitely really like the way it's set up, but it is super clean. And obviously, again, the cleaners were just there, but it is, you can tell when someone meticulously takes care of a house. And this is one of those. So as soon as I got in there, just the open floor plan or the openness of the plan is great. And I also don't want to forget that shed in the back. I didn't really get up close to it, but that is big. So you have that and you have the playground. So really, really taken back about how nice this one was. Because again, the pictures were good, not knocking them at all. But when you see something in person and go through like that, and get a sense of the layout, it really solidifies it that, this is an impressive house. So there you go. You'll see, I think we can spin around and almost see Wilson Road there. And at the end too, I did get a shot of the sign for South Grayling Crest. So I added that in there, and now we're just gonna bring you down. You really see the definition of that backyard and how big it is. And again, with the snow there, I'm only assuming, but that is fairly flat and level, which is fantastic. So let's just fly past it a little bit. And after that, we're gonna fly right up to the front door. And then we'll get you started on the boots on the ground tour. So here we go. All right, here's the boots on the ground tour for 1007 Crestover. Nice little cul-de-sac here. We'll spin you around. Didn't even have to use the four-wheel drive. This stuff is melting, which is great. The cleaners are still here. And let's just see the outside, give them a little bit of time. And kudos to Mark for allowing me to do this. And here we go. Let's just check it out. And hopefully these are some of the last videos with snow on the ground. So fenced in backyard. We'll actually see it from the neighbors here. Oh, great. Big, big deck. And that is a big, big shed, to say the least. Fully fenced in. There you go. Brick exterior as I crunch through the snow. And let's get you. Actually, let's see the other side too. Give them a little bit more time. Got the hand sanitizer. They're still finishing up. We've got the garage door here. And in between these two houses, it's all fenced in. So there's the AC unit, a little better vantage point of the backyard, and it is sizable. So swing set, massive shed, looks like a patio area and then a deck. All right, so that is outside. Let's just venture inside. We'll keep our distance. And they're probably going to be finishing up soon. So here we go. We'll leave our boots off right here. They're cleaning. All right, so we got a clean shot right there. Take that in. Again, great looking house. Almost able to see the roof down with the snow melting. And just one more view of that cul-de-sac, and we'll take to the skies.